This plant layout basically follows our principle of having a solids receiving and liquid receiving. And like Joel mentioned, it's really like a cow stomach. You receive solids, which are usually up to 30–35% in solids, so you would have 70% water. And then you need to get enough liquid to basically able to pump it or to swallow it. And being on the premises of a wastewater treatment plant, you always have enough liquid available. You can always take gray water or from any tank, basically, any waste stream to dilute and to take solids on. This plant will have, when we're done, 1.8 million gallon in digester capacity. It's probably right now one of the biggest plants we have built. The Columbus plant right now is only 1.5 million gallon in digester capacity. The challenge here was to actually get everything done with the current footprint. Since this is a floodplain and the whole wastewater treatment plant is surrounded by a dike and berm, we basically have to stay in this diked area. So we decided to use the existing infrastructure, the concrete tanks, which are in great shape, and then basically add the new technologies such as mixers, heat exchangers, roof, all new controls, piping, etc. So when we are done, this plant can not only handle the current waste stream from Wooster, in addition to all the new industry which is coming, but also take from smaller plants waste streams, liquid, and also solids. Also, some years ago, the city implemented the septic receiving, but they couldn't run it because of the loading of the plant. So once the digesters are in place, the city will be able to commission the septic receiving. And grease receiving will either come here or will come directly to the solids receiving of the digester. The city had a so far a 375 kW genset, but the digester didn't perform enough to basically run it at full power. It probably ran less than half. We're actually upgrading this engine. We're putting a new engine in to go to 1 megawatt. And based on the experience we have from Columbus, we should have no problem meeting that requirement, or basically the goal of at least 800 kW. We're also putting already spare pipings and conduits in because finally we want to upgrade some of the biogas and upgrade to a compressed natural gas standard. So we're putting piping already in place to probably the next 2 years put gas upgrade equipment in here so we can fuel vehicles.